3.
Hello, Mr. Examiner. Do we have any chocks to put in the wheels? No? Okay, continue. I did my 3 point of contact. Putting my seatbelt on. Secure from top to bottom. No damage, and adjusted to me. Now, first thing in my list, I do have my engine start. So I have my truck in neutral, parking brake applied. Put the key in the on position. Look for my ABS in the dash lights, the BS light, and in the meter in the trailer, on and off, working properly. Go ahead and start the engine. Recharge my air gauges between 120 and 140 psi. My governor cut off at 125 is working properly, 125 psi.